Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to rename documents in your Google Sheets. There's 3 ways that you can do this. The first way I'm going to show you is you can go to File and go down to Rename, which is the 8th option. And once you do that and you click on that, you can see that the text above my menu that's quite large and the name of my document is now highlighted. Now you can go in, and once you have that rectangle around the box, you can go in and make whatever changes. Once you click off of that, then you can see that the document's name has changed. You can also simply just go over to it and just click into the little box area, and you that's the fastest way to do it, I think, once you're in the document. Now, the third way you can do it is actually from seeing into your recent spreadsheets or however you have them organized. I can't show you the list version because there's sensitive information. And so I'm going to show you if your Google Sheets is set up like this, but it's going to be very similar of how you would do it in a list. So whatever the document is, no matter what format it's in, you're going to hover over that document name. And once you hover over that, you're going to right click. And once you right click, this menu is going to come up. You're going to click rename, and you're going to go in and you're going to see that this box appears. It says rename, please enter a new name for this item. And so you can go in, enter in the name, and then click OK. And once you do that, you can see that the name has changed. And this is how you rename your documents in your Google Sheets. If you found this to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Thank you. Bye.